morning, guys. It's something we're going to Pennsylvania now, and we supposedly leaving at like 10 o'clock, but now it's 11 o'clock, so we're almost done. We're almost leaving. And yeah, this is what I bought yesterday from this dress from Target, and I got this from import one, Pier Import, something like that. But yeah, I'll see you later, guys, in our trip. And it's gonna be a long drive for my husband. It's gonna be 7 hours. It's going to be 7 hours, so I'll see you later, alligator.
Where it shows red lines are the lines you're not supposed to be on?
No. It routes you around the places you're not supposed to be. And if you get onto the road you're not supposed to be on, it gives you big warnings come up. If you're in a truck. I have it set in a car mode right now. But see, these, they're just GPS. They route you the shortest distance. And if the shortest distance is a way that a truck can't go, you don't know. You know, it's one thing, you can read the signs and say, oh, this is a parkway, I can't go on it. This one says, no trucks, if you're paying attention. But there's a lot of city streets trucks aren't allowed on.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of streets that won't hold the weight. You're not allowed if you're more than 3,000 pounds. So, if you don't know that, you got a problem.
The cloud is very pretty.
But a lot of these truck drivers, they don't want to spend $500 for a GPS when they can get one for $100. We're getting jammed up. We did it a couple times and it kept getting jammed up. I said, oh, the hell with this. We was spending hours and hours in traffic jammed up because we didn't know which way to go. So you just keep driving in circles and circles trying to find a way out.
We're in Jersey right now.
You're just
And
beginning
it's
in Jersey,
traffic.
you're not that far yet.
We're already in Jersey.
Yeah, that's
And
the
it's
beginning.
traffic.
You
Oh,
see all those lights up there?
There's cops in there too.
Yep. Exactly.
It's pretty.
I used to drive all this to take Susie to college.
Keep to the left on exit
I remember one
16W,
trip.
I-95, Turnpike South.
Got a
Warning,
flat
sharp
tire.
curve ahead.
You know what?
On one trip, bringing her to college, we got a flat tire.
9.9 miles.
Good part of this journey. But after that, it doesn't matter. Then we're in a swampland and this place stinks like hell. Yeah.
Yeah, it's stinky in this area.
Yep. All of Jersey is known for this stink.
Yeah. Smells like worse than skunk. The cloud is very pretty in the video. The clouds. It's just very pretty.
Should have put your little stand. Rubbery leg stand. Put on the deck.
I tried it before. Doesn't work. traffic in Pennsylvania. We're stuck. There's a lot of corn. I'm going to go get a corn and eat it. Huh?
Punks. See punks?
What punks? Oh, this one, oh?
Yeah.
Oh, this is mixed fire though.
Yeah, punks.
Yeah, we use that in the Philippines, that thing. Very comfortable.
What?
Heaven only knows where we are.
We just go a little loop around the problem in the road. This really is ridiculous, this shit.
Yeah, look, it's very far.
Exit right, then keep right.
Back to 70.
Keep to the right on exit 4, I-70, Hancock Record, and then
thought
right
we
on
were going south.
0.2 miles. In 900 feet, right on I-70 West, Hancock Cumberland. Right on I-70 West, Hancock Cumberland.
So we're here still in Maryland. It's a very nice country. My ear is hurting right now because there's a lot of mountains side by side. It's just hurt.
Well, we're 1,000 feet up.
Yeah, we're above. How many feet we have from the sea level?
1,000 feet above sea level.
1,000 feet above sea level. That's how high we are right now. and we are very high. That's why my ear is popping. And it's very nice country. Yeah, there's a
Very
lot.
close to.
It's very nice. A lot of greens, a lot of mountains. I feel like I'm in the plane right now. My ear. Somebody is burning something because this is what I like about country. Thing that you can burn in your yard. You can do barbecue using a fire pit or something like that. Is that right? Fire pit. Not fire feet because that's stinky. Armpit. Pit. Armpit. Fire pit. Yeah.